Now we get some breaking news. BJP MLA Raja Singh from Telangana has made a provocative statement, and he has said that we should shoot the illegal Bangladeshi migrants if they don't return to their homeland. So that's a very, very controversial statement coming in from the BJP MLA from Telangana, Raja Singh. Let's quickly listen into that.
बांग्लादेशियों को, रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को वापस उनके राज्य में भेजने की आवश्यकता है, वापस उनके देश में भेजने की आवश्यकता है, ना कि भारत देश में ऐसे कीड़े मकोड़ों को रखने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं केंद्र सरकार से कि इनको बाहर भेजे, या नहीं तो जिस तरह से दूसरे राज्य के लोग जो कार्य करते हैं, दूसरे कंट्री के लोग, उनके कंट्री में कोई भी दूसरे कंट्री का अगर कोई व्यक्ति आता है, अगर वो कंट्री को महसूस तो होता है कि इस व्यक्तियों से, इस समाज से खतरा है, तो वो लोग गोली मार देते हैं। वैसे ही भारत देश में भी जो भी रोहिंग्या है, जो भी बांग्लादेशी है, अगर ये लोग इज्जत से भारत देश छोड़ के नहीं जाते हैं, तो इन सारे के सारे लोगों को गोली मारकर खत्म करने की आवश्यकता है, तभी हमारा भारत देश सुरक्षित रहेगा।
Colleagues, Supriya Bhardwaj and Ashish now join me for all the update on this particular story. Supriya, I'll come to you first. The clamour is only growing, and now this MLA from Telangana has gone ahead and said that these immigrants should be shot at.
Well, absolutely, yes. This is really a very shocking statement. The opposition is up in arms. They are saying that how can a statement like this be given? Already they are saying that while the NRC final draft is being prepared and there are more chances being given to people that they can come and prove that they are citizens of the country, this kind of a statement is going to add fuel to the fire. They are saying that already the ambiguity has been there and people are already scared. And this kind of statement, that too by the Member of Parliament, is really very shocking, and they're also demanding that this member of the parliament has to apologize for the statement the person has given. What is happening now in the moment, Reha, is this, that yesterday a full-fledged debate took place as far as the NRC issue is concerned. Today again the matter was raised along with that of the Rohingya. The overall ambit was that as far as the refugees and illegal people are concerned. Now this very statement of this MP coming in that people should be shot at has given more arsenal to the Congress as well as Trinamool, who are already saying that the entire area is being polarized, keeping the Lok Sabha election in mind. They are saying that the innocent people's life should not be played upon for electoral gains. All these allegations are being levelled by the Congress as well as Trinamool Congress against the BJP regime, both in centre as well as in the state. Also, the Congress party is maintaining that the government has to go out and have to work more efficiently to ensure that the entire proper list is maintained, and it is not only the onus of the people to prove that they are citizens of this country. Even it rests on the shoulders of the government to ensure that they carry out the exercise in a very diligent fashion.
Right, Supriya, in fact, stay on with me. Let's quickly listen into what exactly did the BJP MLA from Telangana say.
बांग्लादेशियों को, रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को वापस उनके राज्य में भेजने की आवश्यकता है, वापस उनके देश में भेजने की आवश्यकता है, ना कि भारत देश में ऐसे कीड़े मकोड़ों को रखने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं केंद्र सरकार से कि इनको बाहर भेजे, या नहीं तो जिस तरह से दूसरे राज्य के लोग जो कार्य करते हैं, दूसरे कंट्री के लोग, उनके कंट्री में कोई भी दूसरे कंट्री का अगर कोई व्यक्ति आता है, अगर वो कंट्री को महसूस तो होता है कि इस व्यक्तियों से, इस समाज से खतरा है, तो वो लोग गोली मार देते हैं। वैसे ही भारत देश में भी जो भी रोहिंग्या है, जो भी बांग्लादेशी है, अगर ये लोग इज्जत से भारत देश छोड़ के नहीं जाते हैं, तो इन सारे के सारे लोगों को गोली मारकर खत्म करने की आवश्यकता है, तभी हमारा भारत देश सुरक्षित रहेगा।
Nasir Hussain of the Congress Party now joins me on the phone line for all the update on the story. Mr. Hussain, you've heard the BJP MLA from Telangana there actually going ahead with his politics of hate, where he's saying that these illegal immigrants from Bangladesh need to be shot at.
See, unfortunately, in this today's regime, the kind of atmosphere that has been created by the people not less than the lawmakers of this country, they may be MLAs, MLCs, MPs, or even a minister in the union government, the kind of statements they have been making in the past 4 years clearly indicates that the government and the party that is there in power in the center itself wants a situation where lynching happens, where people fight with each other, where there is lots of violence, where it can lead to such kind of an atmosphere where we don't speak about other real issues of the people, but only these kind of statements. See, in this case, it is not the BJP, but the UPA government which had moved this entire exercise of the NRC for creating a register of the citizens. But the fact is, the way the exercise was carried on, the way the entire exercise was done in the state of Assam, there are many questions which has to be answered. There are many wrong entries that have been done, for which correction is needed.
But Mr. Hussain,
Lots
that
of
is what the
complaints are coming
BJP
from
chief
different
also
parts
went
of the
ahead and
state.
claimed in the parliament, where he said that the Congress was actually sitting on it. They didn't really do anything about the NRC, and hence the BJP took matters in their own hand. And then when this final draft was actually taken out, then why this sudden clamour? This is the argument that the BJP is making.
Ma'am, we are not against the registration as National Register of Citizens. We are the one who moved it. It is not easy for a state as big as Assam to do the entire exercise in 6 months or 1 year. It will definitely take time. It has taken time. We are on the same page as far as this register is concerned. But the way it was done, but the way things have been shaping up in Assam, but the way there are lots of complaints coming up in Assam, we have only asked the government to look at it from all the angles. And there's a large number that has been specified, like about 40 lakhs, which would put to about more than 1 crore when you take their families into account. So it is not as easy to deport or as easy to put outside the boundaries of the state. There are many South Indians in that. There are many people who are from the different other parts of North Eastern India. We have only urged the government to look it from a humanitarian point of view, to look it very objectively, not subjectively, but also to see at what kind of international ramifications it may have once we take a final decision. So we have asked them to take all the opposition parties on board and to sort it out in a way, amicably, in a way where their own mother countries also accept them tomorrow. So this is the only thing. We are not rejected the register. We are not saying don't do it. We are not rejecting the entire exercise in total. So there are certain which not only our party but the different political parties in our position, and even some members of some political parties which are with the government at the center, even they have raised this issue. But using the language of shoot them out, trash them out, these kind of language I think shouldn't be used. This will only add to the confusion and chaos in the society which is already existing.
Also, Mr. Hussain, the fact that, the debate becomes, like you rightly said, becomes on humanity and the question of illegal immigrants in Assam. The fact that BJP MLA, now in this case, MLA Raja Singh from Telangana, going ahead and making statements like this, does it not defeat BJP's claim also, where it's seeking for a crackdown on illegal immigrants as far as the state of Assam is concerned?
See, I would not like to take the name of the MLA who has made this statement. I have made it very clear that this government at the center and some representatives who are fringe elements in that party have time and again used this kind of statements and languages, the statement and language to create chaos and confusion in the society, which would lead to violent situation. And that is what is happening in the country, not only in the case of Assam. You look at the lynchings that have happened in the past few years in this country. Look at the anti-Dalit atrocities that have happened in this country. So these are the things which the government has to see, because ultimately peaceful coexistence is something which we have to adapt to and which we have been adopting for the past 70 years. We cannot have a government or the lawmaker making statements which would disturb the peace of our society. It is the government to take a decision. Individual MLA, MP or MLC can't be making these kind of statements.
All right, Nasir Hussain of the Congress there joining us on this broadcast. Thank you so much, sir. Let's quickly now listen into what the BJP MLA from Telangana exactly said.
बांग्लादेशियों को, रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को वापस उनके राज्य में भेजने की आवश्यकता है, वापस उनके देश में भेजने की आवश्यकता है, ना कि भारत देश में ऐसे कीड़े मकोड़ों को रखने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं केंद्र सरकार से कि इनको बाहर भेजे, या नहीं तो जिस तरह से दूसरे राज्य के लोग जो कार्य करते हैं, दूसरे कंट्री के लोग उनके कंट्री में कोई भी दूसरे कंट्री का अगर कोई व्यक्ति आता है, अगर वो कंट्री को महसूस तो होता है कि इस व्यक्तियों से, इस समाज से खतरा है, तो वो लोग गोली मार देते हैं। वैसे ही भारत देश में भी जो भी रोहिंग्या है, जो भी बांग्लादेशी है, अगर ये लोग इज्जत से भारत देश छोड़ के नहीं जाते हैं तो इन सारे के सारे लोगों को गोली मारकर खत्म करने की आवश्यकता है, तभी हमारा भारत देश सुरक्षित रहेगा।
My colleague Ashish now joins me on the phone line for all the update on this story. Ashish, a very, very provocative statement by this BJP MLA there, demanding for shooting the illegal immigrants. Where does it actually take the debate of humanity versus the question of illegal immigrants in Assam?
Yes, indeed, a very provocative and unfortunate statement coming out from a lawmaker. He is a BJP MLA from Goshamel constituency of Hyderabad, and earlier also Raja Singh started controversy when he supported, or he justified actually, the lynching of a man in Rajasthan. He said that till the time of when the smuggling of cow or slaughtering of cow will be continued, these kind of incidents will remain in the society, and the people will get killed. Again, the same BJP MLA is making a provocative statement. He suggests actually to the government to shoot all those illegal immigrants. So while the parliament is debating, while the parliamentarians are discussing the issue, while the opposition is storming into the well of the house, while the ruling party, the BJP and the central government is justifying all this issue, the MLA from the ruling party BJP is suggesting that government should kill all those illegal immigrants. Unfortunate statement coming out from a lawmaker.
Very, very unfortunate and distasteful remark by BJP lawmaker there, Raja Singh, BJP MLA from Telangana, as he has called out and sought a demand to shoot the illegal immigrants from Bangladesh.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.